Hi all, welcome back to the new session of MS Excel 365 formula series. My name is Sachin and in this video we are going to learn a new different formula that is called DAYS 360. So let's start guys. First we'll see the description of this formula what it says. It says returns the number of days between two dates based on 360 days year. So basically it will give you the 360 days instead of 365 days. Like that we can put while preparing our FS or while computing some calculation like interest and all. We can leverage this formula. The syntax of this formula says we need to give the start date, then end date, and then method. In start date, what we can give, for example, I can give today date, comma, and here I can give the last day, and simply you can press enter. See how I am getting the result like 30 based on the parameter that I have given. The result I am getting here is negative. Why? Because I have flipped the date instead of start date. I have given the today date and the end date. I have given the start date based on the calendar only. Or instead of that, we can flip the date, or else we can give the negative sign here. Now jump to the next part of this session where we are having these two dates. The basically the difference between two date is more or less 1 month. Like I have taken the date starting of the month and end of the month, like that. I can drag it down so that I can get the full year data like this. And now we'll see the last part of this formula, but it says you can give a start date, remove this, and here we are having the method given. If we are by default it is false, so that's why we were getting the result like 30 or whatever it was. uh, and if we want to give the true here, then European method will get applied. In false method, we'll see the start and end dates will be approximated to 30 days via US NASD method, like that. Whereas in true European method, start date and end dates that occurs on 30th 31st day of a month will be equal to 30th day of the month. We'll see the difference, how the difference we are getting by putting this both two in control D like that. On the other side, if I'm putting this there for me, instead of that I can simply copy and paste here. Let's try it. See, the difference is that in the true value, wherever the dates getting started with 31st, then only I will get the 30th day. Instead of that, I'm getting the 29 day. But on the other way around, if I'm putting this false formula, like false parameter, I would say, that is US based, wherever it is getting changed based on the date I have given. For example, if I'm putting here like that, sorry, it's so in that manner, the results are getting flipped here. In this method, you won't get the 31st and like that. And if I am giving the full year here, for example, you can put in the another file like this, and I'm putting this formula. Days, start date is this, end date is this, and putting false here, percent, I'm getting 360. If I'm putting true, here I'm getting 359. So basically, when the board date will start by what to say, 31st, then only it will give me the 360 days. Otherwise, it will give me the three, like the day, 1 day less, like that. Like this formula is little confusing, and we can use this formula whenever we are trying to compute something based on 360 days, not 365 days. Or there are other formula also we'll see in the upcoming videos. So this was all about this video, guys. Hope you like the session. Thanks for watching and keep learning. Thank you.